Hello from Circumtinks Invest. We're talking about investing, finance, and professional development. That's a recording time of 1:20 p.m. on the Eastern Time. Ethereum currently trading $3,727, down about 1.52% so far. On the over crypto market, in comparisons to the equity market, you can see clearly that collectively we're down, but on the equity side, it's a little bit more, experiencing more of a downward sentiment in comparisons to. Crypto will just more gliding away in more of a normalized fashion, as we've been just consolidating mostly. And what's really going on today, right? It seems like there are a couple of different macro catalysts. So first one is with respect to the Omicron cases. Seems like it's still surging domestically, and it seems like with this Omicron, is driving the interest rate to be spiking all over again, which subsequently fuel inflationary pressure. As some of the economists have also spoken out recently, publicly as well, saying that Americans are, we might have to prepare for more, outdoor dining shutdown or even travel ban potentially all over again. So obviously with this news, it's definitely negative. And also on the equity side, we're seeing some interesting activity among the dividend ETF stocks. Which are, some of them actually hitting all-time high in a technical perspective today. And why is that happening, right? Why are we seeing more flat to down on the crypto side, while at the same time on the equity side, a lot of the blue chip stocks, as we saw from Monday, we saw a huge surge across a lot of the large cap tech stocks. Now we're seeing, relatively coming back down to where we came from. If you look into the percentage perspective. It's because of the uncertainty again, right? People are looking for more the certainty of investment vehicles like ETF, which you'll get a defined dividends going forward. But would I be chasing into the ETFs today? I probably would not actually, because a lot of them, if you look into the technical front, are relatively overbought at the moment. And it makes sense why that is. Again, more inflationary uncertainty, Omicron uncertainty, more uncertainty collectively driving sell-off. And also another reason is just people taking profit. I guess knowing the fact that Monday was such a big surge, people have been taking profit slowly and slowly and slowly, driving to a level that we at right now. But obviously on crypto side, just more flat because it's not really affected, unless it's some sort of a Omicron news that's really negative, and unless there's some major spikes in the interest rate, you can see that some of the altcoins are a little bit more prone to downward pressure if there were some more significant spikes, right? But in respect of that, Ethereum, Bitcoin are still gliding nicely, relatively flat. Right, Bitcoin down about 0.02%, while Ethereum is down about 1% respectively. And then look into the news front, I would say collectively, beside that one major news which got broken out, and the sell-off that we're seeing across the board that we've been gliding down is obviously, again, the interest hikes and with respect to just people rotating out again into dividend stocks, right? So that's the high-level synopsis of what we're seeing economically based on the current technical observation. So let's just dive into the technicals right now. It's a recording time of 1:24 p.m. on the Eastern Time. Ethereum exactly at the level that we know that we're bouncing from, $3,750, down about 1% so far. And again, we are in this wedge formation as we're getting tighter and tighter and tighter. We are still in the golden cross area. We're still in the pattern at the 42 out of 70. So incurring risk right now is not the terrible idea for Ethereum. Bitcoin's flat right now, again, anywhere from current level to anywhere from 43, basically 44,000 to the current level, still not bad level with the 38 out of 70. So not terrible in terms of incurring risk right now. Dogecoin down about 0.8%, anywhere from current level to, I would say 15 cents is still not terrible. I would say start incurring risk at the 16.20 to down. I think it's still not that terrible. Cardano is down about, basically flat. We're basically contemplating, do we go back to 120 or go up to 134? Anywhere from 120, 130 below is still not terrible, but we are seeing a death cross that's about to be formed. So I think 120 is still more logical in terms of taking risks. Solana is 164. We're still selling off. Makes sense because of the head and shoulder. So 155, 132, 113 from there. XRP down, up about 0.13% so far. 78 cents. Still better level to incur risk from the current level right now. Polkadot's about 0.5%. Anywhere from 26 to below is still better level with the 50 out of 70. So relatively overbought in comparisons to other ones. Yeah, I wouldn't really touch Polkadot yet. ALGORAND is still up about 3% so far. It's just a lot of struggle among the retail investors. We're still extremely overbought. I would probably sell or like take my profits right now. I wouldn't really chase into the current level right now. It's not in your favor. Shiba Inu is down about 2%. Anywhere from the 29.50 all the way below will still be better level for us. Right now it's just okay, right? And with respect to MagTech is still selling off again, right, because of the death cross that we formed. The 40 out of 70. Not 40. I think it was an error on the signal right there. It's 50 out of 70. So 175 to 143 is still better level for us. AVAX is on the, basically about to break 100. As we break 100, we're going to obviously test somewhere around like the 100 first, which we got there today. If we crack that, which I know we will, because we're still relatively overbought, 98 is next, and then subsequently come back down to 80 to 60 from there. Luna is down about 2.25%. Anywhere from 62, 52 to 45 from here would be a better level for us. Enron right now, not a terrible level. Let's see, look at the RSIs at the 41. So anywhere from current level to 235. Obviously, if you could get into 235 to 230, will be better level for us. In respect to risk management level, I made some revisions here and there. It's just more uncertainty driving into influencing retail investors to be shifting into more safe haven type of stocks. While, on the crypto side, is relatively flat in comparisons to the equity side, as you clearly see it. So hopefully this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions again. And I hope you guys also have a great rest of your day on this Wednesday. Cannot believe it's already 5 days into 2022. It's time's definitely flying, right? I guess like if we're always busy or try to be productive, time really flies. I guess like you get you feel like time is shorter as you get older. I guess that's true because of that cadence that you go through on a daily basis. Anyways, hope you guys have a good day and take care. Bye.